I did.
Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we will be reviewing the Nexus lawnmower 1000 watt strong. So there's a very neat little box. It's not that heavy. We already took the tape off. That pleasure was stolen from me by my mother, and so here is the lawnmower. Basically, here we have the reservoir for the weeds, yes, and for the grass, yes, and it should be easy to assemble, but quite honestly the plastic is a little flimsy and I'm not sure how to do it. Let's see now. It should be simple. It's simple in the commercials, but as I say, the plastic is very, very flimsy indeed. So if you buy this kind of lawnmower, maybe it's yeah, maybe if I put it this way around. No, it's so flimsy that it cannot be done. Let's see what we have here. Here we have the manual. We throw that away. We do things our way. This is the vroom vroom thing, and this is the actual vroom vroom thing. It's attached with a power cable to, of course, the lawnmower, because this is an electric powered lawnmower, not a diesel one or a gasoline one. Thank you, mother. Now, those are the wheels, but before we assemble the wheels, I really need to take care of this, and I really don't see how, because the plastic, as I say, is very flimsy. I can't believe it's actually this flimsy. This is impossible. Would you like to try?
Try.
No, we won't be needing this. Have a go. Have a go. I'll try to assemble the wheels. Yeah. Oh, there are 3 wheel settings. See here, film this here. You can adjust your wheel to 3 different heights. See? Shall we go for the middle one? Yeah, I think that's always the best solution. And the wheels, as you can see, come on pretty easy. Unlike the plastic bubble, which we are still struggling with. So if you have a big yard and if you mind all the grass being on your lawn, wait, the wheels are of different sizes, man. We will need the manual. We will need the manual. No, we won't need the manual. The bigger wheels go back. The big wheels go on the back. That's my fault. Nothing to do with the lawnmower. It was my own stupidity. I'm sorry for this, dear viewers. My mother is having a go at the flimsy plastic thingy. We'll see if she'll have the nerves to assemble it properly.
Right, tight.
Yeah. Righty tighty, yeah, lefty loose, yeah. Okay.
Tu 12 osób do spojtu.
I love the color. I must say this purple color is very nice. Never seen a purple lawnmower before, but as There's a first time for everything. This is an unboxing video, no lights. You did it.
Mora da se pridržava.
What the fuck are these, man? Okay, I know.
Ja mislim da si trebao na najviše, ali dobro.
We'll change it. It's not that rough, our yards. This I don't know what it is. I have not the slightest idea.
It's handle on reservoir, I think.
What reservoir? It doesn't have a reservoir.
Reservoir for gas.
For gas? Yes, it is. Well, I will help you. But it was. So,
Ma posle se možeš.
I'm done with that.
Ovo, kako veža.
Now this thing goes in. And yes, we're gonna need a couple of screws here. Or not. Yes, indeed.
Ne, bre,
I
ovo
think
ima
these short
usek.
ones are.
A usek ima, bre. Lić, tu mora.
Yes.
Vidi.
These must be for that.
Ja mislim da ne može. Kapiraš sad?
Pogledaj koji idu, Petre, nemoj da zajebaš nešto.
Možda da se ne vuče.
I won't.
Evo ga.
Please go into this. See?
A mogu ja
Oh,
polako?
there. Yeah, there you go.
Jes?
Ok.
Sad. Čekala, mora polako svuda da se to.
Where's
Evo
the
ga,
hole?
da si tamo.
Let's go. Yeah.
Drži ti. A možda treba...
There it is. I'm gonna need a screwdriver for this. Just a sec.
Evo, sad je samo još ovo. Ja mislim da je go.
Ali na englesku je trebao. Usek i žabice.
Evo.
Oh, it's assembled. Hurrah, hooray.
Sad kako se ovo namešta?
Prosto, zakači se samo.
It's very simple.
Sad ti.
Pusti još
Where's
šta.
the screw?
Pazi će ti padne, bre.
It won't.
Vidiš, ono je najmanje. Sad visinu da izmerimo,
Imam
Petra.
te strane ispod ove strane.
Ovu visinu da izmerimo, da?
Wait a moment.
Malo je više od 60 ona bila, ali imali su samo veću. Ovu malo veće, sad da li je više, ne? Sad ćemo da izmerimo. I mi uzmemo. Malo ćemo da
Not as easy as it looks.
Čekaj, nemoj to, batali.
Needs to go further in. But it can't go further in.
šraf.
I think it's okay.
Koliko je to?
65.
Ona je bila 70.
It can't go in.
Yes.
Perhaps I've put it upside down. So we're gonna see. Why did you have to stop the video? Now we have to edit it in a program, and that's.
Držimo.
See, it doesn't matter, it's symmetrical.
Znaš mi naš? Lampu s telefona.
Well, that's all for today, folks. Not all for today. We're going to keep struggling with this lawnmower, but as you can see, it's not the best quality. But then again, its price isn't that high. We really need the smallest one possible for our small garden. But the main thing will be, will it fit in here, into our crawl space? See, that's what we're worried about. And we shall see that later after we've assembled it completely.
Ajde.
Viće valjda vide na peške.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it is fully assembled and it mows concrete like a charm. And it's not that loud, I might add. It's pretty quiet. But one last thing I have to show you, just so you can see the shoddy workmanship of this. See this? This isn't a pipe at all. I don't know if you can see that. Ah, shit, it isn't. Yeah, fuck. We will cut that out. Now the most important thing, and the reason why we bought such a small lawnmower is, wait a minute, I need to loosen it a bit more. I'm not loosening it. Yes. It's very tricky on these two sides, you see. The reason is that it fits perfectly into our little crawl space, like so. Yeah, yeah,
Može i kabel da se...
yeah.
Sad ne znam tako.
Može.
Ne, pritisneš i povučeš.
And spirit is an actor, ladies and gentlemen. Pardon. As you can see, it does mow the lawn. Works like a charm.
Dok ne uključi.
Zna se ko kosi, ko vodu nosi. Ja ni kosim, ni vodu nosim. Nastavio sam ti doslovno. Goodbye.